Number 10. BMW Transformer. In the hands of a visionary with a passion for robotics and a penchant for destruction, an old BMW was transformed into a marvel that blurred the lines between fantasy and reality. This creation, fueled by the imagination and determination of the mad genius known simply as the Creator, embarked on a transformation journey that led it from being a conventional car to an extraordinary robot. The transformation process involved stripping the car down to its bare essentials to make room for the intricate hydraulic systems and various mechanical parts essential for its metamorphosis. Powered by 5 lead-acid batteries located at the rear, the vehicle could seamlessly transition into a robot, complete with a head, legs, and arms emerging as if by magic. Not stopping at mere transformation, the Creator equipped this mechanical titan with flamethrowers on its arms and smoke machines on its shoulders, adding a theatrical flair to its already impressive capabilities. What set this creation apart was its ability to revert to its car form, offering a swift escape or a subtle return to normalcy. This ambitious project was not just a showcase of engineering prowess, but a tangible realization of Autobot fantasies, standing as a testament to the Creator's brilliance, or perhaps his eccentric madness. His ability to make an entrance was undeniable, forever changing the way we view the potential of robotics and imagination. Number 9. XCMG ET110 and ET111. The XCMG ET110 and ET111 are innovative walking excavators designed to optimize efficiency and adaptability in challenging terrains. Manufactured by XCMG, a leading name in construction machinery, these models are engineered to offer exceptional maneuverability and stability. The ET110 is noted for its robust performance and versatility, making it ideal for tasks ranging from excavation to complex landscaping. Following in its footsteps, the ET111 incorporates enhanced features that improve operational capacity and environmental sustainability, such as advanced engine technology that reduces emissions and increases fuel efficiency. Both machines represent XCMG's dedication to pushing the boundaries of construction equipment technology. Number 8. Kier Motors Robokia. Kier Motors has embarked on a groundbreaking journey with the unveiling of the Robokia. This futuristic marvel is not just a vehicle. It's an ambitious blend of cutting-edge technology and visionary design that propels us into the next era of mobility. The Robokia sets new standards in electric and autonomous driving capabilities, integrating advanced AI systems to ensure safety, efficiency, and unparalleled user experience. With its sleek aesthetics, environmental consciousness, and intelligent features, the Robokia represents Kier Motors' commitment to pioneering sustainable, smart transportation solutions that cater to the evolving needs of modern society. Number 7. JDite Ride. The JDite Ride is a remarkable real-life transformer model that embodies the innovative fusion between robotics and automotive technology. Developed by Brave Robotics, Astrotech Corp., and Sensei Technologies, this robot can seamlessly transform from a 2-seater sports car into a humanoid robot. Standing about 3.7 meters tall, the transformation, which takes about a minute, illustrates an impressive technological feat, captivating not only fans of the iconic Transformers media franchise, but also tech enthusiasts and engineers worldwide. The JDite Ride represents a significant step forward in the development of robots and showcases the potential applications of robotics in various fields, including entertainment and mobility solutions. Number 6. EarthOne. A Japanese company has launched the EarthOne, a unique electric vehicle that can morph into a robot similar to those in the Transformers franchise, thanks to a design by Kunio Okawara of Mobile Suit Gundam fame. The shift from car to upright robot is controlled by a joystick, featuring a futuristic look complete with rear fins and an expansive cockpit. While drivable like any standard car, its transformation is powered by the company's innovative motor system. This groundbreaking vehicle, originally without real-world precedent and thus designed from the ground up, is set for public road trials before it hits the market with a price tag of 8 million yen, making it accessible to affluent customers. Number 5. BPG Motors Uno. The BPG Motors Uno stands as an unparalleled marvel in the realm of personal transportation, blending the agility of a motorcycle with groundbreaking technological innovation. At its core, the Uno is distinguished by its unique transformation ability, transitioning from a compact, two-wheeled electric unicycle for crowded urban environments to a more stable, wider stance mode for higher speed travel. This dexterity makes it an ideal vehicle for the urban commuter looking to navigate densely populated cityscapes with ease and efficiency. Engineered for performance as much as for style, the Uno ushers in a new era of smart, eco-friendly mobility, redefining city travel with a seamless blend of innovation, convenience, and environmental consciousness. Number 4. Toyota Hilux. The Toyota Hilux Transformer redefined the iconic Hilux pickup with groundbreaking, adaptable features. It blends traditional durability and off-road capability with a futuristic twist, transforming to meet diverse environmental and functional needs. This innovative vehicle exemplifies Toyota's commitment to pushing the limits of design and utility, offering both thrilling adventures and dependable performance. The Hilux Transformer is truly a versatile masterpiece for the modern explorer. Number 3. Lrins. The Lrins is a distinctive vehicle developed by a Turkish R&D company that epitomizes a real-life transformer modeled after a BMW luxury coupe. Capable of transforming into a robot in just minutes, this car features movement capabilities in its neck, head, arms, and wrists, along with adjustable lighting and enhanced speed. Although it lacks the acrobatic prowess of its fictional counterparts, it boasts an inbuilt power system, efficient energy usage, interactive fog controls, and a dynamic eye for better visibility. Prioritizing safety, the Lrins is equipped with security sensors at both the front and rear and can be remotely controlled. While the prospect of driving a robotic vehicle on public streets is captivating, it isn't feasible at the moment due to its electric engine. Number 2. Lrin. If you are a fan of Transformers, your fantasies are inching closer to reality, thanks to a visionary father and son team who have ingeniously crafted a car robot from a Russian-made Lada vehicle, drawing inspiration from the beloved C5 series. This homegrown iteration of Optimus Prime has rapidly become a spectacle, thrilling audiences with its participation in stunt shows across Russia. Notably equipped with 2 blank-firing weapons and capable of reaching its towering heights swiftly, this Transformer sets itself apart by being drivable in robot form, a feature not commonly found in similar creations inspired by the franchise. The ambitious inventors are not stopping here. They have plans to enhance and expand their fleet with 2 more vehicles, promising advancements and betterment in this exciting meld of technology and imagination. Number 1. The Hum Rider. The Hum Rider stands as a marvel of modern engineering seamlessly blending aesthetic appeal with formidable capability. While it shares the familiar silhouette of a Jeep Cherokee wagon SUV, it harbors a secret that significantly distinguishes it from the everyday vehicle. At the mere press of a button, the Humrider reveals its unique ability to elevate its chassis, not only providing an extraordinary vantage point through its well-placed cameras, but also allowing it to majestically ascend above the congestion of road traffic. This spectacle of technology doesn't stop at its elevation prowess. It boasts over 300 feet of hydraulic lines that power its transformation, all fed by a robust gas-powered Honda generator. This setup generates an astounding 900 pounds of pressure, enabling the vehicle to extend its wheelbase and navigate over traffic with unparalleled ease. In essence, the Humrider doesn't just surpass its competitors. It quite literally rises above them, redefining mobility with its unparalleled design and engineering.